Hi, before you watch this video, please consider the battery health on iPhone 12 Pro. It's 93%. Can I make this test fair? Yes, I can. So I've made this test between 13 Pro and 12 Pro. I've used a few apps that I'm thinking I use the most, like YouTube, Safari, TikTok and some games. In my case, I'd like to play Asphalt 9. I didn't set the brightness at the same level and didn't deactivate the 120Hz on iPhone 13 Pro. Who is setting an iPhone 13 Pro at the same level of brightness like on iPhone 12 Pro in real life? For example, on sunny day. Everything is set to maximum and True Tone is off for both iPhones. I had to stop the browser benchmark test after 5 minutes, because the batteries were draining too fast on both iPhones. 13 Pro lost 3% and 12 Pro 4%, so I went to the next step. I used the main camera for filming for about 30 minutes. The 13 Pro lost 14% and 12 Pro 16%. During the game, the iPhone 12 Pro automatically decreased brightness by itself, even if the auto brightness was off. Maybe because it became too hot and it was trying to keep cool as much as possible. The brightness came back to maximum when I proceeded to the TikTok test. For me, the iPhone 13 Pro is enough for all day use. The same result for 12 Pro, but only if you don't play games. The iPhone 12 Pro switched off at 4 hours and 59 minutes. To be more accurate in this test, we can do this math. I will add the 7% that misses from battery health, and it will be 5 hours and 21 minutes. So the difference between these iPhones is 1 hour. I think the 280 mAh added on iPhone 13 Pro makes the difference. If I would have set the same brightness level for both phones, I'm pretty sure I could get 2 hours difference compared with the iPhone 12 Pro. I didn't get a good result for the iPhone 13 Pro like others. Maybe I overloaded these iPhones during the test. Let me know below about your experience with these phones. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.